Automatic wire rope cutting, fusing, and flouring machine. From raw wire rope to precision pattern in just seconds. Cutting, fusing, and pattern forming, all in one machine. Stable performance, no lag during operation. The machine automatically processes wire ropes based on diameter, material, and required pattern design. Pattern size is fully adjustable through manual screw knob control, ensuring precise output for different requirements. The machine is widely applied in multiple industries, including medical equipment, building decoration, lighting, office furniture, transportation systems, sports equipment, and fitness equipment. Suitable for various wire rope applications, such as shift lines, clutch lines, brake lines, transmission lines, and ceiling strip wire ropes. The color of the machine is sky blue by default, and other colors need to be customized. This machine has higher productivity, ensuring stable output for continuous operation. Automatic machine, high efficiency, stable performance, professional wire rope processing solution. Contact us for more details and factory quotation.